here. Hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the September Glossybox. I have these delivered to my door every single month. I have missed one or two months shut up, to payment, but that's my end, not their end. But yeah, I am back on track now with my monthly Glossybox. Everything about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys to go ahead and check them out. So grab a cuppa and get cozy and enjoy this video. So this is what the box looks like. If you've never had Glossyboxes before, they come every month to your door looking like this beautiful baby pink box with the Glossybox black writing on it. You have limited edition boxes as well, which you can pay for, or if you save up Glossy credits, you can actually get them for half the price or for free. It depends on how much Glossy credits you have saved up for. Also, they do the advent calendar at the end of the year. About the advent calendar I think is you can pre-order now. I will link the Glossybox advent calendar in the description box below as well, just in case you guys are interested. I have pre-ordered mine, so I cannot wait to receive mine, and then I will do a video like I do every year of the advent calendar, and then I'll show you 5 boxes at random of what's inside. So getting on to this month's box. So every month you don't know what's inside, so it's a nice little surprise for you every month when it arrives to your door. So when you open it, it looks like this. Normally they have like a little card or a booklet, but now they just put in these little cards, which I think is actually quite cute. So this one's actually called the Golden Hour, and you can actually scan at the back of the card as well for more information about the products and about this month's box in general. So in each box you come with a black tie and a pink tissue paper. So what you do is undo the pink tissue paper and the black ribbon. Every time I always end up destroying the pink tissue paper. Now, without trying to tip everything out, I'm going to show you anyway, but that is what you see inside your box. So the first product that I'm picking up is this. So this is called the Rituals Energize Your Soul Body Mousse to Oil. I've never had anything like this before, but I've actually had the Rituals products before. I can't actually smell it. I don't want to squeeze it out because it goes from mousse to oil, so I'll actually try that one time. But I've actually had the hand lotions, the scrubs, the hand soap. It's trying to think of what product I've got of the Rituals, but the Rituals products are amazing. I do actually love the smell of them as well. They are absolutely incredible. So yeah, this is a new product that I've not even used before. It's a sweet orange and cedarwood, and I cannot wait to give that a go. Then the next product we have is a setting powder. So this is a banana setting powder. Now it looks, look at the gold lid, it looks so bougie with the white writing as well. Now, without trying to, I don't know about you guys, but setting powder always goes everywhere for me. Alright, it's still got the actual plastic bit on the holes. But yeah, it's one of those little ones you can just pop onto the lid, which is absolutely beautiful. I just really can't believe I've actually got this in this month's box. If I knew that this month's box was going to include a setting powder, I would not have bought one. I've actually bought some makeup from Amazon, and I've actually purchased another setting powder, and if, like I said, if I knew that this month's box was going to include a setting powder, I would not have purchased one. But it doesn't matter, you can never have enough setting powder. So the next one is called Balance Me Radiance Facial Oil. This is 100% natural. Now, because I've got kind of like oily skin anyway, I don't like putting oil products on my skin, if that kind of makes sense, because it's going to make my face more oily. But for those of you who are interested, it's got like a little rolly ball thing at the top. I don't know what the actual terms are, This is what it looks like, just in case if any of you guys are interested. I don't like putting oil things on my face because I've got oily skin anyway. I don't like putting oil products onto my skin. Oh, lily web everywhere. This box does not want to stand up. So the next product is this. Now, I'm thinking that this is something to do with your lashes, because it's saying longer looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. So I don't know if it's like a serum. Yeah, it's a serum for your lashes. Wow, I've never had a serum for my lashes before, so I cannot wait to actually give this a go. Oh, it looks beautiful. Nice gold product. It's got a sticker on the lid, so it's hard to get into. Ooh. Like I said, I've never had anything to do with like serum for your lashes before, so I actually cannot wait to give this a go. It says lash enhancing serum, longer looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks, 91% saw longer looking lashes, so I cannot wait to give that a go. Before I carry on, you can actually find these products on Look Fantastic website as well, just in case any of you guys are interested. I cannot list the products that's inside this box because obviously I didn't know what was going to be inside this box until I opened it, but I can list this month's box in the description box below, so you can purchase it yourself if it's still available. If not, then I do apologise. Then the next thing we have is a to die for eyeshadow. Now, I don't know whether to love or hate these ones, because these kind of eyeshadow palettes, you only get one kind of like eyeshadow in, and so like if it's not your colour, then you won't be using it at all. I think I've got a couple of these, it's like this, but it looks a beautiful, nice goldy colour, but it's not the colour that I would normally go for. I'm always like a natural nude kind of colours. I don't actually go for this kind of silver glittery gold unless I'm actually doing like a party outfit look, but I'll still keep it. It might come in handy one day, but you never know. The last few bits to show you guys now, one of my absolute favourites. I absolutely love these. If you guys have been a OG on my channel for a very long time, you guys know that these Garnier sheet masks or eye masks are my ultimate favourite. I absolutely love these. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lift Eye Sheet Mask, and it is the I don't think I've actually had this one actually. I don't know what kind of scent it is, but I know I don't have this one. I have I think it's like a blue one that's a coconut scent, but I do love the eye mask. So according to this one, you've put it on the side of your eyes instead of under, but I always put it underneath because underneath my eyes need it the most. But I absolutely love the Garnier sheet mask or eye mask. They are my favourites. So thank you Glossybox for putting these inside this month's box. Then from the look of it, the last two bits are just little testers that they've popped in. So we have this. So this is the Glow Wish by Huda Beauty. This must be their new range of foundations, because we have now got, or I have now got, samples of their foundations. So you have the number 10, which is Deep Tan. Oh no, they're not foundations, sorry, they are little testers of tanning. I thought they were foundations. So this is the Deep Tan, then you've got medium, and then you've got fair to light. They just get little testers, so when the product actually does be released, you know which shade to go for. This is what it's going to be looking like. So this must be the Huda Beauty's new product range that's going to be released soon. So I have got some 3 little samples to test out to see which one kind of suits on my skin better. Last but not least, another tester. This is a non-alcoholic G&T. Now, I'm not really a G&T fan, but this must be the new one. This is Clean & Co one. I'm not exactly a lover of gin and tonic, so this is probably going to be given it to someone that I know who loves gin and tonic. But this must be their very new one. This bottle's going to come out, so I'm going to take it out anyway. So this is the Clean G non-alcoholic crisp dry Bitonic spray, or spirit, sorry, not spray. So this is the new range of the gin and tonic, and you've got a £5 off in store or online. You can get them in Tesco's, Morrison's or Sainsbury's. So you've got a little tester of the non-alcoholic gin and tea, but like I said, I'm not exactly a fan of this, so I'm going to end up giving it to someone that likes G&T but likes the non-alcoholic ones. But yeah, thanks for Glossybox for popping this in so I can show you guys anyway. But yeah, I'll just give that to someone who actually enjoys it the most. So guys, that is everything from this month's box. I will leave this month's box in the description box below for you guys. You can search the products up on Look Fantastic. That is where Glossybox gets all their ideas from and all their products from, is Look Fantastic, so you can actually search them up on there if there's any certain product that you are interested in trying or like, then please head over there. Everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below as well. I do have an affiliate link for Glossybox, so I will leave that in the description box below as well, just in case if you guys are interested in purchasing any Glossybox for yourself. The affiliate link doesn't charge you any more to pay for the Glossybox. What it does, it directs you straight to Glossybox. If you purchase any two plans, because they've got two plans on there, they've got I think it's the 12 months for £11.75 I think, which I'm up for, and then you've got monthly plan, which is £13 a month. If you choose one of those plans, you do not get charged any. By using my affiliate link, it directs you straight to the website. Then you just pay for the plan only that you choose, and then I just get a small commission from Glossybox, basically for you guys for purchasing a Glossybox. So I just get a small commission from Glossybox themselves if you use the AWIN link that I'm going to be leaving in the description box below for you guys. So if you click on that, then I just get a small little commission from it. You do not get charged any more whatsoever. It's exactly the same price for you guys. I just get a little small commission from it all. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.